I'm Mike Alexander with SolUp, and we're here today working with Hopelink, and it just shows what great partners can do when you come together and help the disadvantaged. We love our pinnacle partner, Meyerburger, has always been there for us. They stepped up the minute we said something, and we look forward to many, many more of these.
Yeah. From our side, Artist Johnson here from Meyerburger. Yes, for sure. There's very few partners like SolUp for us, and they've been with us since we came to the U.S. 2 years ago, and we're going to grow with them great. And this is the reason why we do things with partners like this, because we know that sustainability and renewables for all is part of our mission. And this is a good indication. When you guys asked us to come in, we were like, yes, let's do it. Yeah.
Absolutely. You know, it's really hard to think about sustainability when you really don't include the disadvantaged. And I think that hopefully there'll be other partners, other ventures, then we can continue the project with Hopelink.
Yeah, I told them definitely this isn't going to be the, if this is the first, it definitely won't be the last.
For sure.
Let's stay together on these things and see how much more we can do for people who need it.
Absolutely.